Hello to everybody and welcome to the Sunmaster webinar. Today we are talking about Sunmaster and our production line, solar power system and solar street lights. We are here with the engineer Ibrahim, that is our main expert, one of our main experts in solar street light. And so, Ibrahim, welcome. And you can talk now and tell us everything about Sunmaster. Okay? Any question you have, you can put in the comment, and at the end we will have a Q&A session, and we can talk about everything you want.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Marco. Hello, everybody. Welcome our audiences everywhere to Sunmaster Business Presentation Webinar. My name is Ibrahim Disuki, the business developer of Sunmaster, and it's a pleasure for having with us Mr. Marco Gatti, our international business director in Italy. During today's webinar, we are going to review together Sunmaster's history and business activities. Moreover, we are going to show the solar power systems and solar street lights product that we have in our manufacturing plant in China. Moreover, we will introduce the types of technical services in Sunmaster and some of our international projects cases. So please heads up in the upcoming slides. Sunmaster founded in 2006 with more than 14 years of experience in manufacturing solar street lights and solar power systems. In particular, Sunmaster is a joint venture Italian-Chinese organization. Mainly in Italy, we are managing the international business activities. On the technical side, we have a team of engineers in there dedicated to doing the design of solar power systems and solar street lighting design. In order to enhance our product's quality and meet the international technical standard in Sunmaster, we are collaborating with Fudan and Zhejiang University, top universities in China, to allocate their high-tech laboratories to do testing on the products and issue quality reports under their trusted names. Briefly, our company's value proposition to introduce the best economic solar products based on accurate technical design and also offer overseas supervision on the installation of solar power systems on site. Mainly, our products records is more than thousands around the world in Asia, Africa, and Middle East, in America also. Now we are going to play a video showing our manufacturing facilities and the business offices in China. So have a look.
Okay, moment. I go to the video with our manufacturing.
Sunmaster Solar is a professional manufacturer in solar lighting and solar power system since 2010. Located in Jinhua, China, Sunmaster covers total 11,000 square meters factory, including associated company and branch offices in Italy and Egypt. Our experienced R&D team combine the up-to-date technology into every product design and provides strong technical support for our customer needs. Our main products include off-grid and on-grid solar power system, solar streetlight, solar panel, solar inverter, solar controller, battery, and other solar application products. With many years producing experience, our solar streetlight and solar power system have been successfully applied in more than 120 countries. Sunmaster is UNDP qualified supplier and installed 80,000 units solar streetlights for UNDP projects worldwide, especially in Africa and Middle East regions. Sunmaster has obtained ISO 9001 quality management system, and our products are qualified with TUV, SGS, CE, ROSE, CB, and other certificates. As a result of high-quality products and outstanding customer service, we have gained a global sales network, reaching Nigeria, Cameroon, Burkina Faso, Mali, Togo, Sudan, South Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Lebanon, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Mexico, Colombia, Guyana, Chile, and Argentina. Sunmaster insists on producing top-quality solar products in the world as our goal. the most cost-effective solar products for our customers as our mission, and reducing fossil fuel consumption, eliminating pollution, and saving the Earth as our social responsibility. Contact us now for more details, and we look forward to hear from you soon.
So welcome back. I'm going to explain how our manufacturing plant works in China. So Sunmaster's manufacturing plant is a vertically integrated production facility. We produce all the solar street lighting and solar power systems component, excepting the energy storage systems, the batteries. In Sunmaster, we outsource the batteries from our sister company. That gives us a very prices competitive advantage. Sunmaster supplied the full kits of solar street lighting ready for the installation on the site. We not only during doing the manufacturing of solar systems, but we also do engineering activities. In Sunmaster, we do the solar power systems design using SketchUp and PVSys software. We have a high-skilled team of engineers who do the design and building accurate configuration of solar power systems. Moreover, Sunmaster designed solar street lights project using diodes. About Sunmaster's production capacity, our manufacturing plant in China is capable to supply on and off-grid systems, in addition to hybrid systems as well. Within our production capacity, we have from 1 kilowatt up to 500 kilowatt. Furthermore, Sunmaster has a LED production capacity of 100,000 sets within the wattage range, 10 watt up to 200 watts. Here are all the solar components, solar street lighting and solar power systems. The solar systems components are LED lights. We supply LED fixtures in different design, showing in our catalogs as well. We can supply AC and DC LED fixtures, in addition to solar panels, monocrystalline and polycrystalline. Also, we can supply thin film solar panels. Regarding the controller, we produce MPPT controller and PWM types. We supply batteries as gel batteries and lithium-ion batteries. Moreover, cables with interconnections and combiner boxes. Furthermore, we supply inverters for solar power systems to convert DC electrical current into AC. Steel manufacture, steel structures representing in the mounting structure and the pole structure. In the upcoming video, we are going to show a video of the assembly line in our manufacturing plant in China. For solar streetlights applications, Sunmaster supply 3 main types: a sole pole, all-in-one, and split system. As you see on the left-hand side is the sole pole type. It's the highest architecture shape with a vertical, cylindrical, or rectangular solar panel around the pole. Keep in mind that this is the highest price product among the 3 types. The split system on the right-hand side fits the highway and industrial solar lighting applications. This lighting system has technical flexibility in terms of we can reach the optimal lighting and solar component sizing, such as battery, controller, and solar panel sizing for any project specifications. The middle one is the all-in-one. It's a simple lighting system with a good design. It's a full board lighting components that include a lithium battery. This type fits more the commercial and residential outdoor lighting applications, like parking lots, university campuses, and residential components. Here is a video. Pay attention to this video showing the advantages of the all-in-one type and how it works.
Hi, and welcome to Sunmaster. Today we will show you our integrated all-in-one solar streetlights. All-in-one is an innovative product that integrates all solar components into just one solution. Let's discover how it is made inside. Inside the product you can find the solar panel. We use SunPower monocrystalline PV panels with the top efficiency. The batteries. Only lithium iron phosphate, which guarantee to elevate depth of discharging and high power in small volume. The controller. It's the computer which regulates all the electronics. The aluminum frame, which contain and protect everything with a very sleek design. The PCBA board and the LED chip, the electronic core of the system. The optical lenses, to distribute the light better for street application. The PIR motion sensor, to detect any motion nearby. The mounting accessories, to fix the solar street light to your support. All these items are fixed together to create just one efficient and awesome product. And now our main features. The all-in-one solar street light has a compact design to let you handle it in the easiest way. There is no need to use a cable for your easy and fast installation process. It's all cheap and easy transportation. It's eco-friendly. With the most technology integrated, you will contribute to having a cleaner world. Long lifespan. With a minimum of 50,000 working hours, you can forget it and it will still work for many years to come. Warranty for up to 5 years. You can sleep relaxed. We will be responsible for any problems over a long period of time. Certifications. All that is needed to import the product in your country without problems. Automated LED output options to ensure a greater battery autonomy. Lithium batteries to give you higher discharge capacity and more cycle life. Modern design because even the eyes want to see beautiful solar streetlights. Customer replacement components so that in the future, you can easily replace any components finding them on the local market. The all-in-one solar streetlight can work in many different ways. First, automated output options. When the sun shines stop, the solar panel will no longer charge the batteries. The controller detects this moment and gives the signal to the light to switch it on. The light starts at 30% of power in eco mode. When the PIR sensor detects a movement, it activates the light to full power at 100%. After any movement is not detected for at least 20 seconds, the light power will reset to 30% brightness. During the sunrise, the solar panel starts to give signal to the controller, and the light will be switched off. In time mode, the lamp can be set by time schedule, without sensor function. For example, the controller will detect the voltage of the battery, and then decide what output power lighting to last the lighting time from 6 p.m. till 6 a.m. Time schedule and brightness can be customized as per your requirements. According to EN 13201, the Sunmaster all-in-one solar streetlight is superlative for the illumination classes S5 and S6, that is to say for side street with minimal traffic, squares, and parking places. Sunmaster, solar streetlights engineered and studied to fit your local installation requirements. Buy directly from our Chinese factory and let your business grow.
Products that we reviewed together. Sunmaster supply solar garden lights in different architecture shapes, hybrid wind solar systems, and some other small scale of solar products like home solar lights, small output lighting bulbs, and solar water pumps. Here in this video, we are going to show the Wi-Fi camera powered by solar systems.
Get surveillance and security footage like never before with our solar streetlight from Sunmaster. With the duality of Wi-Fi and solar power, you can get into inaccessible areas without the hassle of cables or electrical hookups. The Wi-Fi camera offers the possibility to add a 4G network connection and HD quality. Whether you need surveillance in the city, along highway and streets, or in a remote area, the solar streetlight can provide reliable surveillance with minimal upkeep. Each unit comes equipped with a bright LED light, a Wi-Fi camera, and memory card slot. This allows you to remotely monitor your area through the internet and still be miles away from the camera. Get high-quality imaging in both day and night conditions, and even be alerted through motion-detecting sensors to keep you notified. The Wi-Fi camera supports 1080p quality footage, and many different lens options are available to suit your specific needs. Without the need for technical wiring or installation, it is easy to get set up. Simply install the device where you need to monitor, insert the SIM and SD card, and turn it on. It's that easy. This saves you time and money on expensive gear that can be complicated and in need of professional installations. The versatility of the solar streetlight from Sunmaster gives you so many options for use. Pan Tilt Zoom gives the option to regulate the camera. You can even monitor the camera feed through your phone, allowing you to turn on the camera, snap pictures, or set up a timer, all through the convenience of your mobile device. Get the surveillance you can trust with Sunmaster, anytime and anywhere.
One of the most important features that we introduced in Sunmaster is the Internet of Things technology, the GPRS monitoring system. You can use to remote control and monitoring the status of each component in the lighting systems without checking on them physically, which means saving money and efforts during the maintenance activity. So how does it work? Each lighting point has an MPPT controller working on ZigBee signals that's sending and receiving data from a forward and backward lighting point to cover all the illumination area. Then all the data is transmitting to an electrical device work as concentrator. The commercial term of the concentrator is router in some marketplaces. So it works as the following. They transfer the data to the internet server where you can through it from your mobile device, tablet, or from your computer by signing in with your username and password. Briefly, the advantage is that you can switch on and off the lighting system, monitor the status of each component, saving money and efforts remotely by one click. Another important features that we introduced is the lighting sensor and the PIR sensor. The light sensor to control switching on and off the light according to the start of the dawn and dusk. The PIR sensor is saving the energy by increasing the brightness of the light while the traffic increase and decrease automatically if the traffic becomes low. Last but not least, in Sunmaster, we supply solar power systems for residential, commercial, and industrial sectors. We design and supply on-grid, off-grid with batteries backup and hybrid systems. The installation shall be rooftop or ground mounting. We choose that based on the project circumstances and the available installation area. Some of the advantage of the solar power systems that solar technologies positively impact the three pillars of sustainability: environmental, economical, and social. It presents an infinite energy sources, so Earth never runs out of solar irradiation, which is the fuel of the solar power systems. Solar array are accessible as long as we have the sun during the daytime. And the amount of the solar irradiations varies based on the geographical location. The second advantage is the green energy. Solar systems generate electricity with zero greenhouse gases emissions. It's safe and clean compared with the traditional power production. The systems running on solar power are less polluted and eco-friendly. Beside its mutinous power generation, this sort of power system generates electricity in silent mode. It's better for residential applications while systems operate without any noise. One of the economic advantages is the cost saving. Since solar power systems generate electricity using the natural fuel, the end user doesn't have to pay electricity bills. The system's cost is the initial investments depending on the installed power capacity. The additional advantages are the average payback time to remunerate the investments is up to 2 or 3 years. Even the customer can generate profit from selling the surplus electricity to the government in some marketplaces. Add on that the low ongoing cost. The end user doesn't have to pay much money during the operations and maintenance because the lifespan of each electrical device is longer than the investment's payback time. The financial risk is lower than the other renewable energy technologies. For example, most manufacturers gives a 20 up to 25 years warranty on solar panels and 3 up to 5 years guarantee on inverters at the same for the batteries as well. So let's move on to show you some project cases we have implemented globally. For example, this project is implemented in Saudi Arabia in region Al Harad with the Saudi Arabia government. We installed more than 718 pieces of split systems. And the luminaires in this project was 95 watt, solar panels 240 watt. The battery capacity was 150 times 2 pieces, and the mounting height of the poles was 8 meters tall. So the operating hours of this project was 8 hours during the night, and it was successfully implemented without any malfunctions over 4 years. Here is another application for the residential sector. The project was implemented in Lebanon, and we used all-in-one type. We supplied all-in-one solar lighting type for this residential with a good architecture shape. Moreover, the technical specification of this project was 100 watt to operate for 8 hours during the night with dimming mode. The mounting height was 8 meters, and the PIR monitoring system was exist. Moreover, the lighting system from dawn to dusk. This is one of the biggest projects in Kuwait with the Ministry of Defense. We supplied and installed more than 1,000 pieces, and there is ongoing project expansion. The technical specification for this project, 65 watt LED lights and 150 watt for solar panels. The mounting height of the pole was 8 meters, and the operation profile from dawn to dusk. This our project with the United Nations was 5 years ago. We supplied more than 10,000 units of solar street lights. The project was implemented in Togo. We supplied in this project 3G and 4G Wi-Fi routers so the pedestrian can use it in a good way. Moreover, we installed a USB charging feature in the solar pole, so the inhabitants can use it to charge their small electrical devices. The technical specification of this project, we used luminaire 50 watt, solar panels power 120 watt, and we used all the components of solar street lighting in this project. Moving to the certifications and technical approvals. For your information, there are 3 types of certifications. Factory certifications, for example, ISO certifications and energy management system certification. We have it in our factory in China. The second type of certifications are the product certifications. As I told you before, that we collaborate with some universities in China to issue the certifications that approve our products are meeting the international standard. The third type of certification is the marketplace certification. So we leave it to the clients because he must aware of the required certifications for his project. But for sure, in order to issue the marketplace certifications, we need to go back to the factory certification and the product certifications. Right now, we have ISO certification, ROHS, TUV certifications. We provide and introduce COC, SASO certifications for Saudi Arabia marketplace, even more EWA and DEWA approvals in Emirates and Kuwait. Moving on to our warranty terms, we normally offer 3 years warranty for the LED lights, 10 years warranty for the solar panels, 3 years for the battery, and 3 years for the controller. Moreover, for the pole and the brackets, for example, the steel structure, we offer 10 years warranty period. But for sure, we guarantee for you that this warranty is expandable. So we can increase the warranty period based on the client requirements. But for sure, it will be for extra price. The price will increase slightly, not significantly. Here are our team: Mr. Marco Gatti, the business director in Italy, in the business office in Italy, Mr. Steven Zhang, and I. So you can contact us based on this contact showing on the screen at any time. You can send us email, and you will find a very flexible team and very responsive customer care service. Thank you for your listening. Any questions?
Oh, thank you, Ibrahim, for your presentation. We have one question. Ibrahim is asking if we are making OEM production.
Yeah, for
what
sure
is
we
OEM
can do it.
and if we do it, okay?
Okay. So OEM that we can produce for a specific client under his name, so he can supply our products under his company name. We can do it, but it's based on some terms we can discuss, and we need to know exactly the market circumstances and the project specification of the client. For sure, we can do OEM and we have done it in some marketplaces.
Okay, this is another question. This is about how many offices we have around the world.
Mainly, we have our international sales office in Italy, and we have one in China, another one in the Middle East in Egypt.
Okay, I see no other question. So if you have any question, you have our contacts in the video, in the description, we give you the contacts. So you can write us, you can call us, whatever you want, and we can give you the information you need about the products, about solar lighting in general, any suggestion you need. So thank you, Ibrahim, again, and see you next time with the next webinar.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.